Alright, so I'm going to show you guys this essence booster and the false lash effect, because like these two, they work together, and I just want to show you like this one too, so you go and get it because it's also $4.99. So first, I won't come all the way up there. This I did with volume without any primer, so I'm just going to show you what you do when you have the primer. And you like just apply it to the end. It's like the Lancome one that you get for free when you get the samples, but $4.99. You should let it dry. You also should like let this warm up. That's just like makeup best practice, but we don't have time for that. Scoot these off the edges, like make it so there's no extra gunk. Okay, then apply. I like to fan it back and forth first. And basically, oh, my dryer, whatever, I'll get it in a second, but look at that. It's just one coat, and that's just like without the primer.